Let's look for Total Parts Pro today for 2020 Haval H6 stock number 7251. It's ran from December 2016 to the 1st 2021. There's a GW4C20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a GW4C20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory limited tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 2 dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory limited tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate. Right rear 19-inch factory limited tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front 19-inch factory limited tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front goodies light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,